In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on Shopify. Securing your Shopify account is crucial, especially in today's digital age, where cybersecurity threats are more prevalent than ever. One effective way to enhance your account security is by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This process adds an extra layer of protection by requiring not only your password, but also a code generated by your phone to log in. So let's dive right into the steps to make your Shopify account more secure. First, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. This is where your journey to a more secure account begins. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button. This action prompts you for your account credentials, starting with your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Shopify account carefully to ensure you're on the right track. Following that, the next step involves entering your password. Make sure to input your password correctly, then click on the Login button to access your account. It's important to use a strong and unique password for every online service you use to improve your overall digital security. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your Shopify store, often referred to as My Store or Home. This dashboard is the command center for your Shopify operations. Within the dashboard, locate and click on the initials or the avatar representing your account, commonly referred to as MS in this context. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options, and from here you need to select Manage Account. This option takes you deeper into the settings related to your Shopify account, laying down the groundwork for enhancing its security. In the account management area, look for and select Security from the list of available settings. This section is dedicated to the security options and settings for your Shopify account. Inside, you'll find various ways to make your account more secure, but our focus will be on two-factor authentication. Now find and click on Turn on Two-Step. By doing so, Shopify acknowledges your intent to add this additional security layer to your account. Shopify supports multiple methods for 2FA, ensuring you can choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've initiated the process to enable 2FA, Shopify will guide you through configuring it. An integral part of this setup involves using a smartphone app to generate the authentication code needed each time you log in. This is where choices like Google Authenticator, Authy, or similar apps come into play. These apps will generate temporary codes that you'll use alongside your password to access your account. To set up an app for generating your authentication codes, Shopify will show you a QR code. This QR code is scanned using your chosen authentication app, linking your Shopify account directly to the app. It's a straightforward process. Open your Authenticator app, select the option to add a new account, and scan the Shopify QR code. The app will then begin generating time-sensitive codes you'll use when logging into Shopify. After scanning the QR code with your authentication app, Shopify will ask you to enter a code generated by the app to verify that everything is set up correctly. Enter the code as displayed in your authentication app and click Next. This step confirms that the app is correctly configured and capable of generating the codes needed for logging into your account. And just like that, you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication for your Shopify account. It's a simple yet highly effective step in ensuring that your account stays secure against unauthorized access. Remember, each time you log into Shopify, you'll need both your password and the code generated by your authentication app. I hope this guide was helpful and provided clear instructions on how to enhance the security of your Shopify account. Enabling 2FA may seem like a small step, but it's a significant move towards safeguarding your online presence. Stay safe and secure online, and remember, taking proactive steps like enabling two-factor authentication makes all the difference in protecting your digital life.